Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change admin on Facebook page. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and open your page. Then you simply need to click on this icon on the top, scroll down, and in the bottom you can see different options. You simply need to click on page access and click on add new and click on next. From here you need to search by name or email, so I'm going to search for a person that I want to add admin. So let's suppose this one. Click on give access, and here you need to enter your profile password for security purpose. Once you enter, you simply need to click on confirm. Then that person receive a request to accept, and that person will be your page admin as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.